Now, after verb, we will proceed towards the adverb. What is an adverb? Add plus verb, adverb. Means it is adding some meaning to the verb. The definition we can say, a word which is modifying the meaning of the verb, or which is saying something more about the verb, or we can say which shows the speciality of the verb, that is known as an adverb. So what are the adverbs? I have told you. Now there are various kinds of adverb. Those are adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of consequences, adverb of condition, adverb of reason, and adverb of in opposition to the noun. Now, what is adverb of manner? Some words are giving information about the manner, means how the work is done. How the work is done means in what way. We are telling that he is writing slowly. So we will ask the question by how. How is he writing? Answer will be slowly. So this will be the adverb of manner. For adverb of manner, we can ask question by how, or it answers the question how. Now another example, Ravi spends his money wisely. Wisely, how does Ravi spend his money? Wisely. Here wisely is showing the manner which he is doing the work. So this is adverb of manner. We can ask question by how. Another is adverb of time. Adverb of time is showing the time when the work is done. So we can say like it is, for adverb of manner we can ask question by when, or it gives the answer to the question when. I get up early in the morning. When do you get up? When do you get up in the morning? Early in the morning. Or when do you get up? I get up early in the morning. Here early is an adverb showing the time. My uncle will arrive here at 9 a.m. sharp. Is it? So 9 a.m. is the time. When will your uncle arrive? That will be the at 9 a.m. Is that clear? This will be the time when it is showing. Another is adverb of place. When it gives you information about the place or the where the action has taken or event has taken place, there will be the adverb of place. These are giving the answer to the question where. I will reach at the station before you. Where will you reach? At the station. So adverb of time, adverb of place are giving the answer to the question where. Another example I tell you, the boys are going to play in the garden. Where are the boys going to play? Showing the place, so in the garden. Is it? Now adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency giving the answer to the question how often. जैसे हम बोलते हैं generally, never, rarely, seldom, oftenly. These all words are used in adverb of frequency, and the question is asked by how often. Ramesh is late always. Is it? Or Ramesh is never late. Both are showing the adverb of frequency. Another is adverb of degree. It is giving the answer to the question how much or what degree. So the adverb of degree gives us information about to what extent or level an action is done. These words are called adverb of degree and giving the answer to the question how much or what degree. Here we are using some words. Those are so, very, to, nearly, almost, etc. The mangoes are almost ripe. Is it? Almost is here adverb of degree. Now comparison of adverb. Comparison shows that degree of comparison. These degrees of comparison are positive, might be positive, comparative and superlative also, and they are used to draw comparison or compare adverbs. Example we can take like I will reach there soon, is it? So here soon is showing the positive degree. In comparative degree, two adverbs are compared and er is added to the adjective. Now superlative degree is used to compare more than two adverbs to get the best out of all. We add est to the word to most to make the superlative degree of the verb. As you know, in degree, when we are using adjective words and we are adding er to the comparative degree and est to the superlative degree, and for positive degree we are using as dash as. So these words are as, such as, these words are used for the positive degree. This was the adverb. Now we will proceed towards the adjective. What are the adjectives? Adjectives are the words which are giving some speciality to the noun or pronoun, or we can say these are modifying the noun or pronoun. So kinds of adjectives are as follow: adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives and possessive adjectives, and interrogative adjective. Another is degree of adjective. For quality you can ask question of what kind, जो उसके गुण को या कैरेक्टर्स को दर्शाता है, that is adjective of quality. So adjectives of quality describes the quality of people or thing, that is known as adjective of quality, and usually answers to the question what kind of or of what kind. For example, we can say the little girl is so pretty. Here two adjectives are there, little and pretty. Both are indicating to the noun girl. Another example, they live in a big villa. Here villa is noun and the speciality of villa is big. So adjective will be big, and big is the of what kind villa is this? Big villa. So we can say this is adjective of quality. Another is adjective of quantity. The words that describe the quantity of the thing are called adjective of quantity, and these adjectives usually answer to the question how much. Means you can ask question by how much. For example, we can use some words like little, much, any, etc. There is little milk left in the jug, and or we can say another example, there was much sugar to add to the syrup. Here another is adjectives of number. By the name we can understand that it is showing the number, and numbers are of two types, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are showing the numbers ranking, means first 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and ordinals are showing the position, those are first, second, third, fourth, etc. etc. So here the words that describe the number of the people or thing are called adjective of the number. These adjectives are usually answer to the question how many. For example, we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, first, second, third, as I explained you, cardinals or ordinals respectively. Another thing I will add you here, that adjectives of numbers are definite and indefinite both. Definite adjectives are showing the certain numbers, and indefinite are showing the uncertain number or uncertain quantity. That is, for indefinite adjectives we can use indefinite number of adjectives, we can use some, little, few, any, more, much. These words are used for the indefinite number of the adjectives. There is some rice in the container. Next is demonstrative adjective. The words that point out to the or indicate to the person or thing, that is known as the demonstrative adjective. As parallel to or as same to pronouns also, we are using here this, that, these, those. So here some more other are, each is also used and every is also used for indicating the person. So each and every are also demonstrative adjectives. Now another is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are those adjectives which are used before the noun. Here some words or some pronouns are used for the possessive adjective. Those are my, that is for the first person singular, our, it is first person plural, you, your, second person singular or plural both, his, his third person masculine gender singular, her third person feminine gender singular, and their third person plural for all the genders. Is it? Male and female, masculine and feminine, both the genders. So these are possessive adjectives. Mind your own business. Here your is possessive adjective. Is it? Please do your work. This is, here your is possessive adjective. It is placed before the noun. Now another is interrogative adjective. When the question is asked by which, what, whose, that time we can say these are interrogative adjectives. Now degree of adjective. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. As I told you in adverb also, we can use here, we can see here adjective of degree, as I have given this video separately. Now positive degree of adjective, comparative degree of adjective and superlative degree of the adjective. I told you in positive degree we are using as dash as, like as soon as well as good as, and vice versa. For comparative degree we are using er with the adjective word and then is also used in the comparative degree. For superlative degree we are using est with the adjective word and the is used before the superlative degree. The article is used before the superlative degree.